This Quickly video will show you how to create advanced bounce up and bounce down text animations in After Effects. Let's get started. First, select the Text tool and type some text. Then, add opacity to the animated. And then add position from the Add Property option. Set the position value to -50 and the opacity value to 0. Next, add selector Expression. Open the Expression selector and select Words as the Based On. Then, open Amount and paste the expression I pinned in the comments here. And that's it. The bounce down animation is ready. If you want a bounce up animation, set the position value to 50 or 100. That's all. If you've watched this far, you can like the video and write your thoughts about the next video in the comments. See you in the next video.